If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alternative Harvest ETF with the ticker symbol MJ. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for MJ, and if I zoom out on the chart is very ugly. We've been going down for quite a long time, and this is a very healthy downtrend. You can see the angle of price, it pretty much kept it the same angle pretty much since the beginning. We are slowing down, and I'll go over that a little bit later in the video, but you can see this pretty much a textbook downtrend where we keep on making lower lows, lower highs. You can see that we're below the EMA 95% of the time, so this is exactly a perfect downtrend. Pretty much this is what you would call a bear market. Imagine the S&P 500 doing something like this, not what we're getting right now. This is the actual bear market where we're going down pretty much since, you could say, February of 2021, and this is such a large decrease in a year. So let's take a look at the chart. Again, downtrend. Looks like we just had the first break of the channel in my eyes, because if I connect the swings here, you can see this midline is bouncing prices like a dozen times. So that's why I'm saying the midline should go over here. And you can see that this price action is not inside the channel any longer. We came up a little bit short here, broke the channel about the same amount that we came up short here, and we've been going down again since last year. And you can see that the selling picked up its pace around March of this year. So we had the break of the channel, retested the previous low in the form of two legs. Right now, we're in the formation of the second leg, because you can see that we made the first leg right here. We saw a correction up, and now we're in the formation of the second leg. This might be good enough. The market doesn't have to get two perfect legs down, but let's just say it does. Then where is my target? It's right at the 358 level. Either way, I would not be picking a bottom. If you picked a bottom anywhere in this downtrend, you got stopped out. So I'm pretty sure anybody watching this video doesn't have deep enough pockets to keep on averaging into their position. So unless you got big pockets, then obviously you can use a different strategy. But most of the time, it's better just to learn technical analysis and just wait for a better entry. So again, break of the channel, looking for two legs down. If we get two legs down, the target is right around the 358 level. That's pretty much everything I have for the daily chart. It's really not that much to talk about, because it's just a full-blown downtrend. Anybody can look at this chart and you can ask them where it's going, and they're going to be saying down. So I'll be looking for the downtrend to fully complete, and it would probably fully complete right around the $3.65 level. So that's my target on the daily chart. Let's go and switch it over to the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for MJ, and if I zoom out, you can see the price action since 2015, 2016. So that's about 6 years on the market. Looks like price action is doing two legs down. So if I connect the swing to the bottom right there and drag this over, you can see that this leads to negative prices. So that's a incorrect measured move. Most traders are not going to be looking at that. They're probably going to be looking at this leg right here. And if I can move that over, you can see that this target makes sense, because it's pretty much very close to the one I had on the daily chart. This one's at the 420. The one I had on the daily chart was 365. So they're very close to each other. Either way, they're pointing down. Measure moves are not complete yet, so sellers are probably going to be continually holding their position until the targets are met. Just like how longs buy and hold, shorts also do the same thing. You can see that shorts entered back up here, and they're holding their position. You can see the shorts entered all the way up here, holding their position until the measured move is met. And then we're going to probably see a bounce, or at least price action flatten out. Either way, we have not been above the EMA on the weekly chart and the daily chart. We're not really holding above it, so again, we're getting rejected. this is not a reversal. We're still seeing lower prices, and could be a while before we see a bottom in this ETF. So that's pretty much everything I have for MJ on the daily and weekly chart. Chart looks pretty horrible if you are a long. Chart looks very good if you like shorting and buying puts. So again, someone loses money, someone is making money in this market. So let's take a look. That's all I actually have for MJ. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.